Now, I would say at the moment, I would say, have substantial reason for believing that the development of attachment behavior is as genetically determined as the development of eating behavior, as the development of sexual behavior. I mean, it's all part of intrinsic human nature. So that I see it as being a major behavioral system of at least equal significance as sex and as eating. In some ways it takes precedence over either. Now, in our work, we are concerned not only with the existence of these attachment desires and proclivities, but also with differential development. Why is one person given to squelching out all those feelings and becoming compulsively self-sufficient? Why is another person constantly anxious about attachment relationships, over-dependent, so-called? So we're concerned with how come these unfavorable forms of development of attachment behavior, and are some of them a result of some unfavorable gene? Well, now, the simple fact to that is we have no information on this score at all, none whatever. And any discussion of it would be in the stratosphere. What we do know, I mean, it may be that some individuals are born more sensitive to these things than others. It's quite likely they are. But we don't know who's which. And I think it's a very unprofitable area for discussion. What we do know is that the pattern of development of attachment is exceedingly responsive to real life experiences. This is very firmly attested. And, you know, we could spend a whole day discussing all the studies that have been done which demonstrate this. So, and insofar as we're in the psychotherapeutic world, I think it's imperative we know about all this.